Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, we're diving into the world of crafting with the incredible Silhouette Cameo 5. In this video, we will just gonna do unboxing of this Silhouette Cameo 5. On our next uploads, I am going to show you how to use this Cameo 5 cutting machine. But right now, we'll just do only unboxing of it. So I bought this machine via online. As you can see, its packaging is very safe and secure, so I'm having hard time unpacking it. So let's open the box and take a look what's inside. So I bought this item online and this is their page, Silhouette Cameo Philippines. They are legit and also their packaging is very secure. Okay, let's see what's inside. First is the power cord cable and the machine USB cord. Next to it, this is the Cameo Auto Blade and the Cameo Adjustment Blade tool. This one is the roll feeder. This provides an easy and convenient way to place rolled materials into your Silhouette machines. Next to it is the 12x12 Silhouette cutting mat. These hold materials in place when sending jobs to the Silhouette machine. This one is not free, so you're going to add extra money if you want to acquire this Silhouette tool kit. And this is the Silhouette Cameo 5. This isn't just a cutting machine. It's a game changer for crafters everywhere. Whether you're creating for fun or profit, this powerhouse device has everything you need to take your projects to the next level. This is brand new, and as you can see, safety seals are still in place. I have bought this item from an authorized agent of Silhouette Cameo Philippines. The seller gave us free vinyl stickers for our test cuttings. So this is our freebie. Okay, so let's remove the seals and safety cautions. And let's try to open the machine. So this is the touchscreen control panel, and we will not going to remove its protection seal. So, are you excited to try this Cameo 5 cutting machine? Wait for my next video. I will show you how to use this Cameo 5 cutting machine. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe.